I realized that I was my own enemy and I couldn't flow through life because I had so many bumps, and the bumps were in the others, that I used to compare myself to others and have envy. I never thought I was able to meditate, because when I was studying massage and music back then, I had so many worries and thoughts and constantly rushing of negativity towards me, or also negative thoughts about, am I gonna make it? Am I good enough? Am I gonna perform well? I'm not doing it great. And then when I started letting go of those thoughts, and through meditation, I started looking into my mind and see what was happening and what emotions I was having at the moment. And I realized that I was blockaging myself of the road that I wanted to walk. I realized that I was my own enemy and I couldn't flow through life because I had so many bumps, and the bumps were in the others, that I used to compare myself to others and have envy. The rocks were in the other people or the situations. All the obstacles were myself, because I started to become my own enemy on my dreams or the things that I wanted to achieve. And that's why this meditation has changed so much my life, because I can flow through life. I feel like peaceful, lighter. I can look into my thoughts, and sometimes, there's better days than the others, and you can let go some things and sometimes not, but at least to accept them just the way they are and accept yourself. So I hope you can love this meditation the way I love, and I hope it can change your life like it has continually changed me.